What's up everyone, TechHair here. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Pixel 4a 5G. This has a 6.2 inch display, a 3800 milliamp hour battery, 6 gigs of RAM, a Snapdragon 765G. I got the just black version. There's also a clearly white. There's your USB-C cable and your transfer adapter. There's a 18-watt power brick. It's got a soft touch polycarbonate in the back, SIM tray on the side, a USB-C, Gorilla Glass 3 in the front. It is also hearing aid compatible. Alright guys, I messed up. I scratched the screen already. It doesn't buff off. I don't know about you, I'm putting a screen protector on this. I was trying to give you guys a size comparison between the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 4a 5G, but I've held the Pixel 3's camera bump against the 4a 5G's screen. The Pixel 3 has a metal ring camera. Well, that is all I have for you today. Check out the card or the link below for the Pixel 3 versus the Pixel 4a 5G camera comparison that I have. As always, have a great day.